Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Wevolve box. This is a little smidge late because I believe this came like the 8th of May, but I was on vacation, so I'm catching up. The theme should be dreams. This is every other month box, so please look for the description box for the information. One of my favorite things to do, I am subscribed, but I also follow on Instagram to see if the theme's going to resonate with me, because I have had one theme that I didn't like as much, although I was able to use all of the items. Otherwise, this year I have loved every theme. Let's check this dream box out, because dream work is one of my very favorite magical methods. Reiki energy candle. So this is probably one of our items. That's this. Beautiful. Loose candle. It says Reiki energy charge candle dreams. Herbal magic candle. Candle affirmation. I open the door to dream and step into a higher dimension where everyone may exist in a more perfect state. Lavender, lang lang, rosemary, color pastel blue. And then there's information about that. So we've got something in here. Let's check this out. I'm just grabbing from the top down. Ooh, we got a cute little scroll. Twin Moon Magic Dream Working Spell Bag. Come back to that. Oh, it's mojo bag kind of thing. It smells divine. Crystals: amethyst, labradorite, sodalite, herbs: lavender, jasmine, mugwort, cornflower. Oils: amber, citrus, patchouli, sandalwood, balsam. Carry, wear, meditate with, place under your pillow to aid dream recall and spiritual awareness. Awesome. Super cool. Here's something. Oh. Forest Dreams Mugwort Infusion for traveling, for the traveling dreamer. Wow. Rub on the soles of feet and or temples before bed to promote peace of mind and lucid dreams. Massage the joints and muscles to encourage circulation. Olive oil and mugwort plus essential oils. So I'm going to open this right away. I love dreaming. Although I had... Smells good. Cool. Very, very cool. I love the colors. Dream tea, blended to stimulate vivid dreams and aid in dream recall. Some ingredients. Ooh, I got two things here. I'm just gonna empty this before I go on, just because I'm getting Dilly Boppers everywhere. Okay, notes. Cute. Tiny little journal with some pretty little moons. This will help. I write my dreams in their entirety in my Book of Shadows, but I can keep this by my bed and jot down notes, which I've been doing on my cell phone, which kind of jars me awake because of the light. So this will be a nice little use for that. Queen of the Moon Oracle. Guidance through lunar and seasonal energies. Cool. Humans have always connected to the mystical power of the moon and the energy of the seasons, the beautifully illustrated Queen of the Moon Oracle allows you, the modern seeker, to plug into these, the most primal energies of all. Very, very cool. Awesome. I love Oracle decks. Here's the box. Let's do a little check. Dream art card. That's this. The front of this. Forest Dreams. Mugwort has been used since ancient time to induce sleep and lucid dreaming. The oil is to be used topically before bed. Dreamworking spell bag full of crystals and herbs to help with dream work. Place under pillow before bed. Includes an info sheet. I'll take that out. Number 1, it's a good recipe if I want to recreate it. Number 2, I want to seal this so everything doesn't splatter everywhere. Dream Journal by Nikki Strange. It has been proven that if you write down whatever you can remember from your dreams throughout the night and every morning, your dream recall will improve drastically within a few days. Reiki-infused dream votive candle used during meditation before bed to amplify your intention to recall and or to become lucid in your dreams. Dream tea. This infusion blend is based on ancient formula, especially blended for the dreamer. It is believed to stimulate vivid and easily recalled dreams. Do not use while driving or operating heavy machinery. Queen of the Moon Oracle deck. Use these cards and otherworldly images to tap into your subconscious and connect with your intuition. Draw a few cards before bed with the question, what does my subconscious want to communicate with me? Or how can I create a deeper connection with my intuition? Awesome. That's really, really cool. This has been a really, really cool box. Dreaming is, like I said, one of my favorite magics. It's literally the first box that I've gotten in over a year, and probably well over 50 boxes that was on dreams. So that's pretty unique. I love the deck. This is a cute little book. Everything's great. I'm going to use it all. So this is an every other month box. They give you plenty of warning what their intentions, what their theme is going to be. And I knew that I wanted this dream box, and I'm super excited about it. I literally have a use for everything here. I'm really excited. So please like, comment. Super interested in dreams. What about you guys? And of course my basset hound is again whining at the door. God bless him. Hush. And you know, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, friends. I really appreciate you. I'm so happy to be back. I'll talk to you soon.